Alright, so right now we are making a landing at the air. Right now there are missiles coming towards us right now, and we are defending it with chaffs and flares, as you can see. As you can see, our engines have turned off from an emergency, so we are making an emergency landing at the airport. We release our gear as the second when it comes, and looks like there is once we land, looks like there's another airplane, and the plane is right there, and we are about to crash into it at 117. We're about to hit it with our wing. Ooh, that must have been a big hit. Alright, we're going to see what the damages are. It's the wing, so our doors are out. The lights, there's the cargo bay. As you can see, we have the emergency door blown out and the nose cut off.